Welcome to Book Hogs. Today we're going to learn how to write lowercase q and then look at some words that begin with the letter. So let's begin. Lowercase q sits on the bottom line. Draw the circle first and then the tail, like this. Now let's look at some words. Q for quack. Q for quick. Q for quiet. Q for quote. And Q for queen. If you like this video, please support our channel. It really does help. Give this video the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. We also have free worksheets on our website. Visit bookhogs.com. Thanks so much for watching.